Hello, I'm James Jones, Project Manager for ABC Electronics. My boss, Bob Smith, has asked me to create a new website. So the first thing I'm going to do is create this project in PersonalPMO. To start, I'm simply going to click New Project and then enter the information about my company, which is ABC Electronics. I'm going to select the project type. This is a web development project, so I'm going to select that option. And I am going to name it. It's the new sales department's website, so sales website. Automatically fills in the codes, project code and company code for me. I'm now going to select myself as a project manager, James Jones. The project department I'm working for in this case is going to be the sales department, and as I said earlier, my boss, person who is the project owner, is Bob Smith. Once I've filled all that information, I'm going to click Next. Now it's going to ask me which methodology I want to use. At this point we only have one methodology, which follows the basic PMI project approach, so I'm going to select that. I'm going to click Next. This particular screen allows me to put in information that will appear on all the documents that are created. So it's a very important screen to make sure that it gets filled out correctly. In this case it's James Jones, myself. I'm going to put my email in. I'm going to make sure that my phone number's in there. Also my company, as I said earlier on, is ABC Electronics. I work for the information department, technology department, and I'm also going to put my fax in. At this time I'm also going to add a company logo. In this case the ABC Electronics logo, and then I'm going to move on. At this point your setting up of the project is complete. If you see on the top left here, the sales website project has been set up, and when I click on it you will now see all of the templates that appear here that we can use going forward in this project. The first thing I'm going to do is create a project charter. So I'm going to click on project charter and click on create artifact. I hit the button and as you can see down here it's being created. It does take a little bit of time to do it, but once it's finished it is created. Now I can simply go over here and double click on this project and up will come my pre-filled out form for a project charter. As you can see, it's automatically put in the company logo, it's set up the document with sales website, it's the project charter, it's the date has been put in correctly, and the version number for this particular document. It's been prepared by myself, my email's in there automatically, my phone number and fax number are in there as well. And as you go through, there's a full-blown project charter here for you to work. It's also going to take care of your version numbers, and as you work through this charter you'll see that those version numbers are automatically incremented over time. The only thing I'm going to actually have to fill in, the data I'm going to actually have to fill in, is this information here. But for the purposes of this demonstration I think I've shown sufficient. So I'm going to save and quit. As you can see, it automatically creates a second copy. This is the original copy that was created, this is the second copy that was created. So that in a nutshell gives you an idea of how PersonalPMO works.